within our shimmer range. These are absolutely beautiful. We've got the gold, we've got the beautiful opal, and we've also got that classic rose in there as well. So when you first get them, you'll see that you've got that little yellow band. Take the top off, unscrew and remove that. That's just a barrier. So then put it back on as tight as it will go, and then just turn it over, and where it says press, give it a little press and your colour will start to flow. These are really, really beautiful pens. So let's activate all these, and then we can have a look at the lovely shimmer that's within them, because they really are gorgeous colours. So activate that one. You can see that that is the beautiful bronze, and that is that gorgeous rose. So let's do this one. And this one is your beautiful opal. So let's do that one. I mean, the colours in that are beautiful. So when you first use these, you need to give them a shake, okay? So by giving it a shake, you just literally bring in all that mix in. You're mixing all that shimmer within there. So these do come in a set of 3, or you can buy them all individually on their own. So let's have a look. You can see that gorgeous colour shining on that black. Let's have a look what it looks like on the white. So you can see, oh, it's lovely. Really, really pretty shimmer within these. But these are all water-based, okay? So the bonus of them being water-based is you can mix them with your Aquaflow pens. Oh, that's lovely. That shining green on the white, absolutely beautiful. So with the shimmer pens, as I say, they're water-based. So it means when you're using your Aquaflows, so this is your Aquaflow, and you can see how vibrant the Aquaflows are. So let's just get some more coming through there. You can see how gorgeous that ink colour is, but you can bleed it out and blend it with your shimmers. And what you'll end up with is a lovely shimmer within there as well. And you can add as much colour. So now that that is a darker shade, this is going to dry with that opal finish. So you can mix and match all your pens together. Make sure you put your lid on, it helps, yeah? But have a play and you will absolutely fall in love with those. See you later.